Okay, well, so first I just wanted to let everyone know about Farm to School. I'm sure that you're all familiar with it, but it's an initiative to connect schools with local farms in order to serve healthy meals using local foods. So, eligible institutions who operate child nutrition programs purchase unprocessed, locally grown, and locally raised agricultural products. Local means different things for different school districts, but most of the time it's within state, region, your area. Education and farm tours are a really important part of Farm to School. And so if that's part of your mission as a farm, then that's a really great way to kind of make that a market. Um, Farmers must meet all of the local and state regulations and be in good standing in order to sell their products within the child nutrition programs. So most schools will look to see that the farms that they purchase from are GAP certified. So that's something to consider. Um, as of 2013, and I only have the Kansas statistics here, sorry for the Missouri side, but only 35% of school districts participated in Farm to School. So it's a really great wholesale market for beginning farmers to enter. If you're interested in becoming involved in Farm to School, as you begin your farming practice, you can reach out to food service directors in your region, personnel at your schools to learn about specific school districts protocols. Some will have a request for proposals, while others will have a more informal process for their farm to school, such as bids to local farmers, cooperative bidding. Yeah, so they're all different. So the first step I would recommend is reaching out to school personnel. The Kansas Rural Center, the organization that I'm part of, is working with other partner organizations to form a training for farmers and producers to help ready them to enter school markets. So the goal for this is to help streamline this process for producers and help build a curriculum that uses what the schools need and what the producers need to create more engagement in this process. Our first training will be mid to late fall 2021. And if you're interested in attending, I'll drop my information in the chat and just reach out to me and we'll keep you posted with all of our farm to school updates and resources.